Hi, Mira is back. So my menu again, because I have 3-course meal. Pork squid adobo. So I'm starting to cut cubes my pork. And yeah, so that's how you do. Just like an adobo too, but with the pork, with the squid. Okay, so here you go, and everything is ready here now. I have all my ingredients ready. So all right, so here you go. That's how you do. And I'll get back to you later. Okay, bye. See ya. Okay, I'm back. So I have my squid here, and I just cut it like that. And yeah, so all the ink, you gonna include the ink with this recipe. So here you go, and you just have to cut like this. And my visitor is coming at 3 o'clock, so and it's quarter to 2. So I'm gonna have and I still have, in 1 hour I need to cook two recipe. Okay, so as for now, I'm gonna say bye. Hi, I'm back. So here you go. I preheat my pot here, and you just have to saute your garlic and your pepper. Okay, just like that. Here you go, and you're gonna have onions with that too. There you go. You just have to do like that. It's brown now, so put the onions. Yeah. Do the onions like that. So have you tried, guys, that recipe? It's available in a restaurant too in Philippines. What do you call this one? Pork squid adobo. So it's nice. It's a nice combination. So yeah. And put your pork. It's marinated. I marinated in there you go. Like that. And oops, one is not cut. Yeah, the rest is cut. Anyway, yeah. So here you go. It's a bit awkward with this camera. There's so many, you know. I forgot the other one is left one hole. Here you go. And put it back. Okay guys, I'll get back to you later. Bye. So here you go. Still cooking. Look at that. make sure it's tender, the pork, before putting the squid. And then, you know, the ink guys, for the pork, what I do, I cut it into the pork while cooking, so it makes it black. So that's the unique of this what you call this one recipe, because the squid ink will coated the pork, and Rix likes it. You know, it's so funny because some Filipino doesn't like with the ink because it looks like, well, it's black. But like what I said, he married to a Filipina and introduced all the exotic to him. And well, this one, it's good because he likes it. So I don't have any problem cooking it because he likes it. So that's the main thing. Once your husband or your partner likes it, cook it. Cook it for him so he will be happy. Anyway, I'll see it back to you later. Bye. See ya. Here you go. See, it's cooking. Okay, it's good now. It's this one, look, it's glazing now. The oil itself is coming out. So here you go. And that's the time you're gonna put that's the time you're gonna put your squid. There you go. And just like that. There you go. So everything is there now. You know, when I'm cooking, everything is the sink. Look at that. It's messy. It's messy every time I cook. I don't know how I maintain that my sink, lots of pots and pans, and you know, so, and you're gonna put vinegar on the last phase of your cooking. So here you go, see? That's it. Put it on high now. In high heat. High heat. So you just have to do like that and wait. Once the squid, it takes only 10 minutes to cook for that. So you know, the ink, it's not really overpowering this time. You know, some squid are not really it's not but it's never mind. I already squirt the there you go. So you just have to wait for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's up to you guys. But don't cook it so long because the squid gonna be like a chewy. Okay? Pork squid adobo. There you go. Did you see that? Gonna put some vinegar on the perfect. Yum. I'm gonna put some chili on it. Yum, yum, yum. Here you go. Put the chili. I'm gonna put the vinegar now. So, like what I said, you don't need to put much vinegar on it. Like that. And I'm using apple cider. I'm using apple cider here. So I'm only using maybe two. And then I'll taste it if the taste is just like that. Oh, it's a little mess. High temperature, and then okay, the taste is just the way I like it. Yeah, so good. I will not put any more vinegar in it. So I only put this a soap, what do you call this one, soap spoon, two of that vinegar. And yeah, you don't need overpowering vinegar. So, and I think it's ready. Yeah, so you see that? I think it's ready. Okay, so here you go. And put that one, turn it off. And I'm gonna serve it soon. Guys, I'm back. I have with friends here now. Like what I said to you, I have friends coming to me today. And like what I told you earlier, I've been known here since maybe 12 years now. So, and here's Stella, the beautiful Stella, and the beautiful Rose, and Raquel. Say hello. Hello. And look, it's so challenging because this one is a chef. So I hope he give me a good rate for my cooking. Anyway, so here you go. This is my pork squid adobo. Actually, Raquel and Rose is requesting this one, so I